Imagine living where others vacation.
This waterfront dream on Treasure Island also has a pool, and it is ready for its new owners.
Hi, I'm Grant Gaitis, and this is Ashley Gaitis with the Gaitis Home Team. Come on in and check it out. Our three favorite things about our newest listing: it's only a half-mile away from the beach,
The stunning chef's kitchen.
and your own private dock.
Find your dream with the Gaitis team.